That's gay. What do you mean that's gay? Haven't you ever wondered why your parents taught you to yawn with your mouth closed? No, I've never wondered because they tell us that we should close our mouths because when we yawn, we breathe air outside. I guess that's the reason. You know, when you yawn, you breathe air inside and not out. So then why would they stop you from breathing the air inside through your mouth, yet it's still gonna go in your lungs through your nose? I don't know. I'm not my parents. It's very simple. Every time you yawn, a ghost puts a stick in your mouth. That's why you're supposed to yawn with your mouth closed. Or you can yawn like this. Okay, I'm gonna try and yawn with my mouth closed next time. Jeez, you can't even yawn nowadays. Yo, I can explain. Nope. So then why would they stop you from breathing air inside? Yet it's going to enter